Hi guys, this is Asal. I wanted to make a quick video to show you a little advice that I wrote to myself. So I've already registered for the bar and I'm studying for the bar exam. I'm about to graduate and it's the end of the line for me. And when I come to that point of life, I usually like to write a little advice for myself because I keep all my notebooks and every now and then I come across one and I'm like, whoa, at that point of my life, that's how I was thinking. So here it is. Rule number 1 of life. Forget everything everyone has ever taught you and learn the world on your own with your own logic. So learn to think for yourself. Rule number 1. Secret to happiness, peace, and a healthy way of life is logic, okay? So do what is most logical and brings you the most efficient results, and concentrate on your goals. So it's very important to be concentrated on your goals. Keep going at it every day. You know, some days you're up, some days you're down. Life has a cycle. Think to yourself. Things aren't always the same. There's day, there's night, there's a time for everything. At night you sleep, during the day, daylight's out, you study. So just be easy on yourself. Just go through the cycles. And if some days life is hard, go for a walk, and it has cycles. Some days you study better, some days worse. So just remember that life has a cycle and accept it. So here's the next thing I have to say about that. Concentrate on your goals and under no circumstance lose hope or motivation. Accept the fact that life has cycles. There's a time for everything. Let things play out the way they're supposed to. If you are the type of person who believes in having faith, so just let things play out the way they're supposed to. If not, yeah, you have power to change things. So that's another thing you can think about, that I have the power to change things. I can make things better tomorrow. So that's when you're having hard days and life is low, because life will go back up. It's just like a cycle. And then the next thing I wrote here is during hard times, let me go back. Yes, during hard times, stay strong, stay logical, and keep doing what you set your mind into. So here's my little advice. Maybe you can pause here and read it for yourself, but I just read it for you. So all I have to say about this is stay strong, stay motivated, and keep going at it, because just think to yourself. Little drops of water can make a cup of water. So just go at it, little work at a time, day by day. That's all I have to say. That's how I'm doing it right now. Sometimes there's so much homework thrown at me and it's just so much to keep up. So I think to myself that I'm going to do this day by day. And what do I mean by that? For example, today I have a trusts class. So wills and trust, we did the wills part, now I'm in trust. So what do I do during this time? I go day by day. I study it today, I studied it yesterday. So when I'm falling behind, I do it day by day. But other than that, I'm always ahead. Like, that's the thing about me. I'm always ahead. Like, I turn in my homework 1 week ahead if I can. But actually that's not a good thing, because you want to hold on to it and go back to it and fix it over and over again. But altogether is always stay ahead of yourself. But if you fall back, keep staying motivated. So that's all I have to say for today. Stay strong and healthy.